How to set a Spotify song as a ringtone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your favorite Spotify song as your ringtone. Imagine your favorite track playing every time you get a call. Sounds awesome, right? Stick around and I'll guide you through step by step on how to do it. First things first, you can't directly use a Spotify song as your ringtone because Spotify doesn't allow you to download or use songs outside of the app for things like ringtones. But don't worry, I'll show you how to work around this. To begin, choose the song you want to use. Make sure it's available for offline use by downloading it through your Spotify's premium subscription. Now, for Spotify free user, you need to use a third-party music converter to convert the song into an audio file. Now, if you're a premium subscriber, just download it directly within the app. Simply find an option that says download and download it. After that, what you need to know is ringtones need to be short. So simply trim your song to the perfect length. After that, what you can do is simply go to the settings and you can simply search for ringtone over here and go to iTunes store. And what you can do is simply sync it and connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder depending on your OS version. Drag the MP3 file into iTunes and sync it with your iPhone. Once synced, the file will appear in your music library. And to set the song as your ringtone on iPhone, you need to use GarageBand to create a ringtone from the MP3 file. And after that, you can simply go to the ringtone. And here you should see your new custom ringtone listed there. Select it and set it as your default ringtone. Alternatively, you can also use third-party apps like Ringtone Maker or Jazz to make the process easier. And that's it, you've successfully set up your favorite Spotify song as your ringtone. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.